Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, gagawa tayo ng matching set from an old pants. I get a shirt that fits me nicely and I make sure na magkatapat yung crotch area ng short and then yung old pants para mas madaling mag-trace. I also leave a quarter of an inch of seam allowance para meron tayong room for mistakes or errors. After I trace the shorts into the pants, I cut it out and pinin ko rin para hindi gumalaw yung fabric. I flip it over after I cut. Pin those sides and also make sure that the right sides are kissing. I sew a straight stitch. I tried it on if ever na may babaguhin pa ako or babawasan, pero okay na siya sa akin. Instead of double hem the bottom part, I opted to do a zigzag stitch because I'm aiming for a lettuce hem. And our shirt is done! For the top, I used the leftover fabric. I cut the side seams to open it up. I get a sando top for my pattern. Basically, gagawin lang din natin yung ginawa natin kanina sa shorts. I-trace lang natin and then leave a seam allowance. So this is the back and the front. Sew a straight stitch for the side seams. And also zigzag stitch to prevent the fabric from fraying. I hem the top. I cut 3 cm by 24 cm long for the straps. I sew a zigzag stitch in the center of the straps kasi sa tingin ko mas matigas yung straps pag ganitong stitch yung gagamitin mo. This is the before and then this is the after. I made a free scrunchie too. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next one. Bye!